Hi, my Planners Anonymous kit for February has just arrived. So this is the February subscription kit. And the theme of this one is Main Street. First thing I'm going to look at is the paper, just to get an idea of the theme of the kit and the colours of the kit. So this is the first paper, rows of shops and yellow cabs, cafes and things. It's a nice yellow actually. Yellow isn't one of my favourite colours. And this is the back. And the themes of this kit are yellow and teal. Then we've got coffee. Coffee I do like. So we've got coffee cups of all different shapes. So this is brown, obviously, brown for coffee. And on the back of that, the coffee marks from the coffee cup. I like that actually. There's something about that that's really quite pretty. And then the third paper, lots of wrapped boxes or presents. And on the reverse of that, oh, this is gorgeous, with watercolour paper. Really, really nice colours. Very nice. So they're the 6 papers for the kit. And then we have a vellum, which is the same as the paper. So the row of shops and the cabs. And then there's an acetate, which has the black wrapped gifts or presents. So it looks like the theme is shopping and coffee. So we'll have a look in this bag of goodies. The first thing I'm going to look at is the pouch. It's the first time Planners Anonymous have had a pouch. So it's shopping is my therapy with the watercolour on it, like the paper. And then there's the shops and the cabs on this side. Bright yellow zipper, and inside is the yellow dots, like the yellow dot paper. If we look at the size of it, you can see it will fit pens in it. It's quite cute and it's quite nice to have a pouch. And then speaking of the pen, this is the pen. It's black hardware, has the Planners Anonymous on here, and then all the beautiful little gems which match the colour of the kit. So that's the pen. Then there are cards. So that's the backing card, and then we've got shopping is my therapy. Days ending in Y are for shopping. Shop in the name of love. I like that one. Shop in the name of love. Treat yourself. Buy the shoes. Totally love that one. Buy the shoes. It's an add to cart kind of day. They're quite fun. This is the stamp set this month, so I'll just take that out of the plastic. I have just filmed a tutorial making something with this for the book lover kit, if you'd like to have a look at that on my YouTube. But these are the stamps. There she is with all her shopping bags. She's quite sassy. The happy birthday is nice font. And we've got a shop and little things you could put in the shop. There's trees. You can decorate it. You can make it into a cafe. There's a little sign there which you can put these words in. They look like they'll fit. There's a little coffee stamp. Fantastic. And little coffee cup. And these icons here, I think are my favourite. They are super cute. Love those little icons. They'll be really handy. And these are the stickers that come with the planner subscription. So we've got the girls, the rack of clothes, the cute shoes and coffee. She's got the coffee and the shopping bags. Oh, these are nice. I like the colour in these headers, these daily headers. And then this is the folding traveller's notebook sticker, which you can put in your planner. So it's the size of an EC box, and then you stick these two sides together and you can close it. So you can have something hidden in your planner. And these are cute, cute planners and Happy Mail and coffee cups. And then the sneak peek for next month, Blossom, which I'm loving. Pink is my favourite. So loving that. Then there are die cuts. So there's a large 5x7 inch die cut, days ending in Y are for shopping. That's just a single-sided die cut. There's a pocket, so you can fold these three edges in and have a little pocket. The bookmark this month is a bow, so if you just take this little bit out and these fold over and meet, so it's this gorgeous blue on one side, or teal, and this yellow on the other side. You could just use magnets to close that onto your planner. And then these are the other die cuts, so I'll just lay them out. The mini is super cute. Oh, I wish. So there are the, whoop, they're a little bit off screen. There we go. That's all of the die cuts this month. I'll just push them out of the way and we'll have a look at the washi. So 3 rolls of washi. This one has shop all on it. This one has the row of gifts or presents, and this one has the street frontage, which is, I think, my favourite. So I'll roll these out and we can have a look at what they look like. Wow, that street scene is super long before it repeats. So it's all of this, and then you can see this is the other half of this building here. So that's a super long piece of artwork on that washi, which is fantastic. And then you've got some black foil bows on there, but not too much to be too distracting. And then there's the shop with the black foil also. But my favourite is definitely that street scene. Gorgeous watercolour art and a really nice long repeat. Really, really love it. Okay, this is the sticker kit, which is an add-on to the subscription kit and available every month, just like the subscription kit is. By the way, if you're interested in subscribing, use the code ItsyCrafty and you'll be able to save 10%. Oh my goodness. I just love the teal. Yellow is really, really not my colour, but I'm actually liking it with this teal, which sort of surprises me quite a lot. So we've got these girls here with all their shopping and their coffee. Shopping and bags and perfume and shoes. I mean, what more? What more do you need? Cute, cute bows. Ah, that cake looks yum. The watercolour is so impressive. I'm not sure if you can see like the cake and the sandwich and so on, just the detail. Little croissants. Some shop signs and shop frontage. More. This will be a double box, and these are full boxes. Just love that shopping is my therapy. Love those colours. And these are also full boxes, and this one's a double box. And this shopping bag looks like it's smiling. It's so happy with shopping. Shopping is my therapy. Shopping is my cardio. Shop in the name of love and treat yourself. And this is the one that I need the most. No spend, no spend. So luckily there's lots of those. Some full boxes. I love these full boxes because you can decorate your planner with them, but you've still got plenty of space to actually write with. It's not just decorative, it's actually functional. So there's 2 of those, which is fantastic. And then we've got the headers for the weeks. Love this colour. This colour is so nice. And I love these watercolour swatches. They look really nice on the planner page. There's this one here, the darker colour, and the brown, like the coffee. So there's 4 of those. So all up you have 5 with the sticker sheet that came in the subscription kit. So you've got 5 headers with the days on them. And then there's this really super cute sheet of minis. That is 15 sheets of stickers in the sticker set, which is really impressive value actually. And I'm overall amazed at how much I like this set, given I'm really not a big fan of yellow. I'm a fan of yellow in that sunflowers are my favourite flower, but yellow is never really a colour I would choose to decorate with. But the yellow with the teal and the colours that Sammy has used in this kit really work together and really are just lovely. I'm really looking forward to crafting with the set and sharing some tutorials and ideas with you using the set. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye.